Ashar. We are going to discuss about a style, American style as well as British style. What is mean by American style? American style is when you attempt an English paper. So the American style, when you are going to attempt the question number one and you just start to write answer. So what you need to do, you write answer from this place to this place and just you end here. Let's suppose. So when you are going to start question number two and you're writing your answer, so you must follow the sequence and you just write your answer from this place to this whatever is your answer. If your answer is going to end here, it means that so the answer should follow all the sequence in this way. This is American style. When we are talking about British style, when we adopt British style, the British style is little change from American style. In British style, what we need to do, the first line of the answer start from this. You just need to left for few words, and when you start your second answer, you just need to left again a answer. When you write your third answer, you just need to the first line. Keep in your mind that the first line you should just make a space of 2 3 4 words from the first line of the first answer or the second line of the first answer in this way. So this is the style, and American style and British style, you need to follow one style, either the British one or either the American one. The third point is when we talk about after this style, what is important, there are sometimes the student they do not write relevant answer. So what is countable in your paper if your answer is not relevant and if your answer is irrelevant? So most of the time the examiner, the paper checker, they cut down your marks. So keep in your mind that be careful regarding relevancy. You must write. And what is important with relevancy, sometime if you're writing if your short answer is about 2 marks or 3 marks, so what you need to do, you just need to write your answer 20 words to 30 words. For 2 or 3 marks, 20 or 30 words is sufficient, enough sufficient. You do not need to write extra. And if the answer is short, question is 4 marks, getting 4 marks, so what you need to do, you just need to write your answer 40 to 50 words. Complete your answer in 40 to 50 words. You do not need to write extra. The other point is sometimes the student they do not care about the punctuation. Keep in your mind, in English paper you just need to focus on your punctuation, because if you do not know about punctuation, it means that you are lacking many things. You do not know how to attempt your English paper. So regarding punctuation, where punctuation is needed, you just need to put the punctuation signs, as well as what is not needed, you do not need to put your punctuation sign. Apart from these points, you do not need to make doodles. What does mean by doodles? Doodle is just like when sometime it happens, we just come across a mistake. So what we do about mistake, we just do this thing. And so what you need to do, if you don't have ink remover, so you just need to make a bracket where you done the mistake, make a bracket and just put a small cross on the mistake. So by this the examiner can understand here there is the mistake, and it can give a relief to the student as well as the examiner. So from this point you cannot the examiner cannot cut down your marks. And the last point, very important point, is the last one. The point is most of the time the student do not go through the papers. So when you complete your paper, so what you need to do, you just go through all of your paper. You just need to give your 10 minutes to go through your paper at the end. And if you do not do, so most of the time you do a lot of mistakes and you do not know. So after reading the paper, the small mistake you can find out by yourself. So this is the paper technique. In this way you need to present your paper and you need to attempt your paper. So follow these techniques and get your good marks. Thanks for watching.